Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily translate any SRT subtitle file into another language. First, open your web browser and search for translatesubtitles.com. Once you are on the website, simply drag and drop your SRT file into this upload area. Now, you can see the original text of your subtitle file. To translate it, click on the Language drop-down menu. Select your preferred language. And then click the Translate button. After a few seconds, you'll see the translated text generated right here. Finally, click on the Download button to save your newly translated SRT file. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.